I decided to put the camera on because I decided to take a trade. It's Sunday, it's the futures market. I decided to take a trade just to see if we was gonna get a pop up to the next pivot point. Let's see what happens. All right, y'all, let's talk about this. As you see, we got a lot of buying pressure right here. We got a lot of buyers right here that's holding us up. So that's why I'm holding my shit right here. My stop loss is gonna stay right here until we move up. We got a good little level of support. Our next level of, let's mark it up right there. That's our next level to worry about, trying to break through that level. We coming across this resistance. Let's see if we'll be able to break this. If we could break this and we could go above 28.45. I say about 28.45, we'll be in good company. Bro, as we can see, the buyers are actually trying to hold this shit up. So we're gonna see something real spectacular at this point. Either we're gonna see a real sharp move to the downside or we're gonna see a sharp move to the upside. It might not go to our take profit, but it's gonna bust through this line. I'm telling you, we're stuck in this range and buyers are not letting up, man. Sellers are active. Sellers are constantly pushing us down at 28.41. Well, they're pushing us down. They are pushing us down, man. And you can see them right here. This is what we're looking at right here. This accumulation over here. This is selling pressure and this is buying pressure. The buyers are holding us up. The sellers are pushing us down. We cannot move past this area. But if we could close outside of this area right here, I think we can see higher skies. All right, y'all. We got the breakout. Let's see if we can get the close though. All right, y'all. I'm just a band abbreviation for a big ass nigga. So I'm gonna protect my profits. If it goes under that, I don't want to be in the trade anymore. We're gonna let this run and we're gonna see how this goes. So at this point, the trade is officially free. If it comes back, we win one. And we still win. Let's see how this goes. A rule to always have, bro, never move your stop loss. As much as it pains for me to do it, I'm not moving it. It is what it is. If I lose this trade, I'm walking away with 18 bucks. Wait, what just happened? Oh, it jumped down. Okay. I guess we got closed out on that one. Well, we stuck to the rules. We'll see what happens, but most likely it's gonna bounce off this and just keep going up. But as long as we stick to the rules, man, it is what it is. We all at least up. We're above 2,500, so we don't have to worry about. Look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, always stick to your rules, no matter what happens. All right, I'm going.